everyone. Welcome to another video of Jeevan Vidya Mind Management Strategy series. We have with us our Jeevan Vidya guide, Mr. Prahlad Pai. Thank you for joining us, sir. Today, our topic of discussion is going to be positivity. Through all the videos that you've seen in the past, you must have noticed Jeevan Vidya's focus on positivity. We all today are going through turbulent times that none of us have seen ever before. This global pandemic has impacted every single individual in this world, every society, every community, every business. People today are not able to come together as groups, not able to go to their workplace, their offices. People around the globe are working from home, they're doing social distancing from each other. People have lost their jobs, businesses have closed, and even the businesses that are running are not doing that well. While all of this picture is in front of us, how do we talk about positivity? Jeevan Vidya says that the way to go and the way to deal with the situation is positivity. Having said that, a lot of our viewers have asked us many questions about positivity. So today's video is going to be focused on answering some of these questions, understanding in a better way how will positivity really help us deal with this global pandemic. So, Mr. Prahlad Pai, can you help us understand how do we be positive in this situation? As in, is it so simple to be positive when you are able to see all the negativity, all the difficulties right in front of your eyes around the world? How simple or how practical it is to be positive in this situation?
Yes, Nell, you're right. It is not that easy. In fact, in life, nothing is easy unless you practice something. You have to practice because first thing you must be aware. What is the solution? You must know, and then after awareness, you're getting the knowledge, you must be able to implement it. So first thing is awareness. You must know why we are telling you to accept the reality and be positive. See, what Jeevan Vidya says that whatever may be the reality, we have to accept it. So accept the reality doesn't mean that you accept and get defeated because of that reality. It is not the meaning. Accept the reality means you know that this reality is there and we have to focus on this and get out of it. So our aim is to get out of this problem and challenge. So accept the reality means don't brood over that again and again. Don't go over thinking bad about it, thinking again and again the same thing. That is what we say accept means accept and keep quiet now. Now you have accepted the reality. Now you have to find a solution. Now what is the solution? You have got many choices. See, once you get this challenge in your life, there are many choices. First choice is become negative, think of the negative things only, get stressed out, get fearful, disturb your all mind and all those things, disturb your health. This is one choice. Second choice is what? You be positive and try to think how we can solve this problem.
Right.
Correct? So when you become positive, immediately you can see the opportunities. See, I'm just telling you one thing. When you become very positive now, and then you can think. Otherwise, you are not in a position to think anything. That's why you always are. When you are stressful, fearful, that time you cannot think or you cannot see any opportunity also. So we must be able to see the opportunity, pick up the opportunities, and come out of this. This is the one choice. And third choice is doing nothing. Whatever happens, just see it and accept and go about it.
Right.
So we have got three choices. So I think best choice what we can say is be positive and come out of this. So now when I say accept the reality, means now you don't think of the reality. We know whatever the picture you just now painted. We all know jobs are going, all the things, economy is going down, people are dying, we know everything. But from that, there are many positive points. Do you think this is the first time this pandemic has come in the world? Every 100 years it has come, but people have come back to the situation again, present situation. So nothing is the permanent in this world. Remember, even if this challenge or this problem has come, still we will come out of that. First thing, this is not
Right.
going to remain forever. We will come out of this. Now, how to come out? So then we tell, think positive and look for the positive. When you can think positive, when you look for the positive. So now if you look for the positive, there are many positives going on. See, if you see the this what is called environment, that is getting better and better. Whole ecosystem is improving. That ecosystem is improving.
Yes.
Then the death rate is very low. It is not
Yes.
very high.
Yes.
Means many more than 95% people are recovering from this. So this is a
Right.
positive thing, correct? Third thing is because you know the solution also, how to face this challenge. You know the solution. That social distancing is the solution,
Right. Right.
correct? Use some what is called uh, sanitizers. Use the sanitizer. Keep yourself clean. All these things you know how to face. So now only thing that you must use this what is it called, use this solution
Right.
and try to behave that way, try to regulate your everyday work like that only. Second thing, because of social distancing you cannot go out, correct? So this is a reality. Now just saying that every day I cannot go out, I cannot go out, is it going to change the situation? The best choice is what? Okay, how to use this time better, in a better way. So that is a thinking positive about it. So now many people are not getting any time with the family. So this is the time you spend some time with the family. Now this situation has told you, or we are understood that we are so much dependent on the people. So
Right.
there are doctors, there are medical professionals, all these groceries and all those people. We are very much dependent on them, and they are risking their lives for you. You are sitting at home. You are not risking your life. You are not going out. So there are many people who are going out and taking a risk, and they are serving you. So be grateful for that. See, I don't go. I don't have to go out. I am very safe,
Right.
and other people are taking risk for me. So you must be grateful. So that gratefulness will become you, make you more positive. Think good about them. Well-wishing strategy. Use the well-wishing strategy for them. And let them have a better health. So this will give you. See, this is the way you can look for the positive. Now you
Right.
see the WHO, that is the World Health Organization.
Yeah.
They are working very positively on this. All the scientists in the world, they are coming together and they are working in one direction to find out the vaccine for this.
Right.
And I don't think this is so big issue, but definitely scientists are going to find out. And I heard that they are almost found out the solution,
Right.
found out the vaccine. It will come in 1 or 2 months. It will come, and we will be out of this danger. So don't think this is forever. This is
Yeah.
for sometimes. So accept it. See as much positivity you can see the positivity. Now whole world is helping each other. See, so many people are giving donations to us in the world. In
Yes.
our country also, we are giving. So many people are giving donation to the government.
Right.
We are trying to help each other. So these are all positive points. We have to be. We have only one choice. There are no other choice. If you try to be negative, your health will go down, your everything will go down, and you will never come into life again. So let the jobs go. Don't worry. Jobs will be created again. Things will come back to the original situation. Nothing will remain as a permanent thing. And if you work hard, look for the opportunities. You can spend time also very productively at home because there are so many free courses going on.
Yeah.
Our Jivavidya courses are also going to come in a week or so. There are so many conference call going. You can listen to that. you can find the positivity from that conference call.
Right.
There are many things you can do. And I will tell you, in fact, we have understood the importance of each other, in importance of unity. In fact, we are going to be, and we will get a new opportunity now. I will tell you one thing. Now people are using the payment gateway, which we are trying to push. Government was trying to push for the payment by this thing, e-payment.
Email.
So that will reduce your cash, this thing, cash problem will be reduced in future, because when we are printing these notes and all, there is a tremendous cost is involved in that. So
Right.
if that goes down, your economy is going to help. It is going to help the economy. So there are many positives or byproducts of this situation. So look for that byproduct. People are going to use e-commerce in a more better way.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean stalls are small, malls are going to be stopped. Nothing doing. People are going to come back. See, nothing is going to stop. It will be
Yeah.
stopped only for some time. People have losses. I can understand they will have losses, but there is no way you can. Only that you be positive. And second thing, can I say something more?
Sure. Sure. Yes.
Because if I go into the philosophy of Jnana Vidya, the subconscious mind has got a creative power. So if
Right.
you think positive, if you think super positive, if you think of abundance, the abundance is going to come out. I'm telling you, because the creativity, whatever is create, this all creation is from that creative power, and which is dwelling in your subconscious mind. So if you give positive affirmations that I am progressing day by day, I am improving my day by day.
Yes.
Just go on giving this affirmation to your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind will create abundance for you. It will create all the whatever challenge. So they will overcome those challenges. You
Right.
will get the capital. You will get the fund. Whatever you want, you will get it. But only thing, give affirmation to your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind knows everything, how to make available whatever you want for the business, and your business will prosper again. I can
Yes.
vouch for
Yes.
this.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for helping us understand this. The glass is always half full, remember. So we have a choice to see if the glass is half empty or the glass is half full. It's always half full, and if it's on the half full, we'll be able to drink that water and make the most of it, other than regretting on the half empty glass of water. So it's a wonderful perspective. When we look at the opportunity in the crisis, we will reach solutions. I think the people, the businesses who've changed their way of looking at the world, who've changed their way of working, and use this current situation, this digital world, this virtual world as an opportunity to grow, to learn, to develop in their digital capabilities, are the ones who've survived, who've not just survived, who've also flourished in a way. So it's also a good thing for businesses, for individuals. Coming to my next question, sir. The next question is for individuals. Now that we understand how it is not that difficult to be positive, how is it important to be positive? Can you give us a few examples that as individuals we can practice in day-to-day life, in our home, when everybody is now together at home? At certain time there are clashes, people are, there are arguments, because we see those four people at all times at home. So how do we still stay positive when at home there's so much of work pressure, even after working from home? So what could be some tips for us as individuals when we are dealing with this lockdown?
The first thing, you must know the importance of your family. When you are at home, you will know the importance of your family, because your family means your wife, maybe your mother or somebody must be working whole day for you.
Right.
That you will notice that properly now. How much work is there
Yeah.
in we say it is household work, but there is too much of work in the household, and you must be able to realize this thing, You must see, when we say positive, you must see all these things, what is happening in the
Yes.
your home. And second thing, why we are fighting with each other, because you have some problem outside and you try to take that problem out in with your dear ones, because there is no other people whom you can fight with. So most very easy prey for the this thing is our family only. So when I told you that you have to be positive in looking at the things, you will be positive at home also. And for that you must see how the whole people are working in the house and helping us to live very satisfactorily. And what I can tell you one thing, that even if you will know the importance of the workers, that is the servants who are
Yeah.
working in your family, you will know the importance of that, because right now they are not there. That's why whole everybody has to work very well in the family. So that's why they are getting angry because of that only, because so much workload is there. They are
Yes.
not used to getting this workload. So what I suggest, that instead of fighting with each other, let us be grateful for each other.
Mm.
So that's why we have got a strategy, which I don't know whether we are discussed in this program or not. But gratitude journal, that is a very
Yes,
good
we have.
strategy we can. And family
Yes.
gratitude. That
Yes.
means we can sit together in the evening after the lunch, and everybody can have we can think of why we should be grateful for each other, and we should be what is that? We must be grateful for each other. We must say that. It is not
Right.
only keeping in mind.
Right.
You must say together. Every family person will talk about other people and why he is grateful for that person. And you will find many points for that you can be grateful. But you
Right.
must think also. Right now we don't think. Our whole focus is on negative things only. And
Mm.
that's why if you focus on positive, you will see many things which are going very well in the family. We can pray together also. See these super positive affirmations. We all can do it together also. There are many ways we can stay together. There is nothing that
Right.
impossible. But just because we are negative in other ways, then we try to fight at home. That is the only problem.
Right. Thank you for helping us understand that gratitude is a very important strategy and a very helpful strategy for all the families, all the people staying with their families at home. This will help us not just for you to stay together, but to stay happily together uh, in this lockdown. So thank you for that strategy. One last question, sir, and that question is about what is going to come ahead once this lockdown is over, once COVID-19 goes away. We know that we understand that this economic recession that is going to follow. So understanding this and knowing this, that something bad or negative is going to come our way, how do we? What should be our approach to this future?
See, I told you that things are going to come back to the
Yeah.
original situation. That is sure,
Yes.
for sure.
Yes.
This is whatever is happening, whatever the decision is there, it is a temporary. So you
Hmm.
must fight for the decision. You must work hard. And again, I told you that subconscious mind you can utilize. So you have to do one way. You have to do some efforts
Hmm.
to how to come out with this situation. And second, what I told you, give affirmation to your
Affirmation.
subconscious mind, which is going to create the opportunity for you. See, these people don't understand. That is the biggest problem. They feel that just saying the affirmation is not going to help me. How it can help me? That is the way people think. But
Right.
I can guarantee you, I can vouch for that. If you go on giving the affirmation, the things will, opportunities will create,
Right.
and your business will come to the original situation very fast.
Yes.
That much I can tell you. So don't worry about the recession. Things are not going are permanent. They are going to change. They are going to come back to the original uh, situation. So only thing, try to think different ways of doing the business. because of this situation, the e-commerce, e-payment, then social media, usage of social media, then video conferences, all these things are come up very, very well. So
Yes.
try to use this afterwards also, after the COVID-19 also, then utilize these different ways in a positive fashion. That also we can do. So try to look at the business in a fresh way. Whatever you were doing earlier, it's okay that you have done it. Now have a fresh look at your business and try to modify wherever the loopholes are there. Try to modify, see the situation now, and try to cater to the situation very much.
Yes.
And then and give the affirmations and definitely be positive. This positivity is going to create the good situation for you in very near time frame.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again for answering all of those questions. So, to summarize, positivity is a perspective that we can have to our life. We can choose to be negative, we can choose to be positive. The only difference here is once we choose to be positive, we can see opportunities, we can see what we can do better, we can see solutions, and we will be able to deal with the situation in a better way instead of just crying over it. So thank you, Sir Prahlad sir, for helping us understand how gratitude, how affirmations are going to help us deal and persevere through these times and come out successfully. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you all for watching this video. We will meet next time with another video, another topic. Thank you.